Hey folks, it's Lauren from Snowy's here. Today I'm going to show you how to repair your tent fly. With some basic items, repair patches, mesh patches, or some silicone sealer, you can get your tent fly back to new. It can be really difficult to get a replacement fly specific for your needs. So being all across how to repair a tent fly is a really important way to make sure you're getting as long as you can out of your tent. So I have a fly with me here today. It's got a cut in it here. So what I'm going to do is take you through the process of actually repairing it. It's really straightforward. It's really easy. So first things first, I'll run you through a couple of the options that you've got. So your fabric tapes or things like that for your fly are pretty straightforward. You can get options like these ones here that come in a roll. So they're handy to have in your kit. This one, for example, is clear. The K-tape here comes in different color options. I've just got black because it's the best one that I have available for me as well. You've got tough tape. There's some options for you to get some pre-cut and pre-shaped patches as well. You've also got a couple of options for sticking on mesh repair panels, or also like this kit here gives you a mesh panel here that you can sew on. And then last but not least, we have this Seam Grip silicone tent sealant, which is awesome if you've got pinholes or little tiny holes. It just applies like a glue to fix those ones right up. So getting into the actual repair itself, best for you to use rubbing alcohol to clean around, but we've got white spirits here, which is the best one that our repair guy here on site had in his kit. So I'm just going to unscrew this lid here. I've got my rag here to clean through, get the white spirits on. We're going to clean over the area, make sure we're covering a huge area here because we don't want to make any mistakes on this one. And we're going to flip it over and do the reverse side as well. Now once we've cleaned it off, we're going to get another dry patch of the rag and just wipe away any of the excess. So once you've cleaned off your material, we're going to I'll set aside the cleaners here, and now we're going to grab our repair patch. So in this case, I'm just going to use the K-tape that I've got here. And like I mentioned before, this one comes in a nice long roll, so it's really handy to have in your camping kit. So cutting a size of repair tape, we want it to be at least 1 inch larger than the actual cut itself. So I'm just going to measure this one up here. And cut along that line. Now what I'm going to also do is cut a second patch, because I like to do the repair patch on both the inside and the outside of the tent fly. It's not really necessary unless you're talking about a place on your fly that's a high tension area, say around poles or peg points, but just to be on the safe side, I would do it across the whole fly here. So what I'm going to do is round off these corners as well, because I don't want to give it the option of catching and having that patch torn off at any stage. So just round the corners around like so. Alrighty, so we're just going to peel the adhesive backing off the patch. Now this is like really sticky, so make sure it's not folding over on itself or getting stuck onto anything before it's applied. And we're just going to line that up. Pop it over the tear and just rub it down flat. Right, we're going to reverse the fly and do the same on the other side. There we go. So that is the cut all patched up on the inside and the outside. We have got ourselves doubly checked off for any leaks or anything like that in the future. So it's important to check the application instructions of whatever particular tape you choose to use, because each brand might have differing curing stages, but I would recommend to leave the patch on there for 24 to 48 hours to dry before you're packing the tent away. Now this isn't just a temporary solution, this is a forever solution. solution. So this will absolutely see you right through any adventures that you've got planned down the line. The other thing to mention here is with your mesh repair panels, it's literally exactly the same process when you're repairing tears in your mesh. I would also recommend doing a patch on the inside and the outside of your mesh as well. Again, the same thing with the sew-in patches. You just line it up and stitch around the mesh hole that you've got. But anyway, that is as quick and easy as it is to repair your tent fly. You can get all your tent repair needs at snowies.com.au at our lowest prices every day. If you found this video helpful, give us a like. If you've got any questions or comments, you can chuck them below. You can head here to subscribe or here for more helpful videos. Catch you later, Snowies fam.